Hi everyone, I'm Nam. If you're over 50 and feel like your body isn't as strong, stable, or flexible as it used to be, you're not alone. Feeling stiff in the morning, worrying about tripping, or getting tired faster are all very common. Many people believe this decline is unavoidable. But that's not true. Your body is still fully capable of becoming stronger, more balanced, and more confident. It's all about how you train. You don't need complicated exercises or expensive equipment, just the right method that's safe and effective. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that with something everyone has: a wall. Let's discover how to turn this wall into the most powerful tool to regain your strength and confidence. We're going to start with a super important exercise that often gets overlooked: the wall calf stretch. Your calf muscles don't just help you walk, they also act like a second heart, helping your blood flow. When your calves are tight and your ankles aren't flexible, your risk of falling goes up. This stretch will help your ankles move better, making your steps more steady. To do it, stand facing a wall. Put your hands on the wall at shoulder height, step 1 foot back, and keep that heel on the floor. Feel a gentle stretch in your back calf. Hold for 30 seconds and focus on your breathing. Switch legs and repeat. Don't push yourself to the point of pain. Comfort is key. Do this regularly, and you'll find walking easier and your legs less tired. This exercise helps improve blood flow, increases flexibility, and builds a strong base for all your movements. Think of it like checking and maintaining your car before a long trip. This simple stretch is the first step to making sure every step you take is safe and confident. Many people use medicine or compression socks to reduce leg swelling, but this exercise gets to the root of the problem. Do it every day, morning or night, wherever there's a wall. It doesn't take much time or any special equipment, but it's super effective for your long-term health. Take a few minutes each day to reconnect with your body. Listen, feel the stretch, and breathe deeply. You're not just getting more flexible, you're also building a better relationship with yourself. Patience and self-care will bring clear results. Let's start today. Healthy legs are the base for everything you do. Next up is a powerful recovery exercise: legs up the wall. This move helps reduce swelling and soothes tired legs after a long day. When you put your legs up the wall, you're reversing gravity's pull, which helps your blood and lymph flow. This position also helps your nervous system relax, easing stress and worry. If you have trouble sleeping or feel your mind racing, just 5-10 minutes in this pose can make a big difference. To do it, sit close to the wall, lie back, and put your legs up the wall. You can put a pillow under your hips for comfort. Let your arms relax, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Feel your belly rise as you breathe in, and fall as you breathe out. Let your body's weight sink into the floor, and let the wall hold up your legs. This pose also helps with lower back pain and gives your spine a gentle stretch. Stay in this position for at least 5 minutes, or longer if it feels good. Doing this before bed helps your body get ready for deep rest. Strength isn't just about moving, it's also about how well you recover. When you add this exercise to your routine, you're giving your body a chance to reset and recharge. Treat your body with respect, and it will give you back energy and flexibility. Give it a try tonight. It's simple, easy to do, but super effective. It's like a reset button for your body. Now, let's build some upper body strength with wall push-ups. This exercise is super gentle on your wrists, shoulders, and elbows. It's great for everyone. Stronger arms help you push open heavy doors, carry groceries, lift your grandkids, and even catch yourself if you lose your balance. Wall push-ups also help keep your bones strong, which can prevent osteoporosis. Place your hands on the wall, about chest height and a bit wider than your shoulders. Stand about an arm's length away from the wall. Step your feet back, so your body forms a straight line from your heels to your head. Breathe in as you bend your elbows, lowering your upper body towards the wall, keeping your back straight. Then, breathe out as you push yourself back to the starting position. You can make this harder or easier by moving closer to or further away from the wall. Remember to tighten your core muscles to protect your lower back and get a full body workout. Move slowly and with control, really feeling your muscles work. Try not to shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Keep them relaxed. Start with 2 sets of 8 to 12 reps and take a minute to rest between sets. As you get stronger, you can do more reps or stand further from the wall. No weights, no fancy machines, just a wall. Upper body strength is key to staying independent every day. Next up is the wall squat, a super important exercise to help you stay independent after 50. Every time you stand up from a chair or climb stairs, you're actually doing a type of squat. As we get older, our thigh and butt muscles can get weak really fast if we don't work them, making daily activities tough. Wall squats build strength in your whole leg, make your knee joints more stable, and can lower your risk of pain and arthritis. This exercise also helps keep your bones strong, preventing bone thinning and hip fractures. To do it, stand with your back against a wall, step your feet about 2 feet forward, and keep your feet hip-width apart. Slide your back down the wall until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor, with your knees over your ankles. Hold that position, focusing on tightening your belly muscles, and breathe evenly. Start by holding it for 15 to 20 seconds, then slowly work your way up to 30, 45 seconds, and eventually, a full minute. When you can't hold it anymore, slowly stand up, shake your legs a bit, rest for 30, 60 seconds, and then repeat. Begin with 3 sets, holding for 20 seconds each, and increase as you get stronger. If it's too hard, just slide down a little bit. As you get stronger, go lower, or lift your heels to make it more challenging. Wall squats aren't just about building muscle, they also build your willpower, helping you push past your limits. Every second you hold it is a win, a step towards more confidence and independence. This strength will directly translate into your daily life. Stick with it, and you'll see a big difference. Don't give up. Your body deserves to be stronger every day. Wall squats, your key to moving freely. Now, let's strengthen your core, the base for all your movements, with the wall plank. The wall plank is safe and doesn't put pressure on your wrists or lower back, so it's good for everyone. Your core includes your belly muscles, lower back, hips, and pelvis. It's like a protective belt for your spine. A strong core helps you stand up straighter, lessens back pain, makes you more balanced, and helps you move with more power. Stand facing a wall. Put your forearms on the wall, with your elbows right under your shoulders. Then, step your feet back so you form a straight line from your heels to your head. Squeeze your belly and butt muscles, keep your back straight, and your neck in line with your spine. Focus on breathing steadily. Don't hold your breath. Hold this position for 20-30 seconds, and slowly work your way up to 45 seconds, or even a minute as you get stronger. Do 3 sets, and increase how long you hold it as you get stronger. If your lower back sags, squeeze your stomach muscles harder or stand a little closer to the wall. The wall plank helps build a strong core, which lowers your chance of falling. A strong core gives you confidence in everything you do every day. A strong core also makes you more balanced, which helps prevent falls as you get older. Doing planks is an investment in a healthy spine and overall confidence. It's simple, it works, and anyone can start today. Give it a try and feel the difference. Wall plank, the base for all your movements. Next up is the wall angel, an exercise that helps improve your posture and fix that hunched back from sitting too much. Bad posture can cause neck and shoulder pain, reduce your lung capacity, and even mess with your digestion. The wall angel strengthens your upper back muscles, stretches your chest and front shoulders, and helps get your muscles back in balance. Stand with your back against a wall, feet about 6 to 8 inches away, and bend your knees a little. Keep your tailbone, upper back, and the back of your head touching the wall. Raise your arms to shoulder height, bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle, and keep your wrists and elbows touching the wall. Breathe out as you slide your arms up the wall, keeping those contact points, and feel your back muscles working. Breathe in as you slide your arms down, gently squeezing your shoulder blades together. Repeat this 8 to 12 times, moving slowly and with control. You don't need to straighten your arms all the way, just keep those main contact points. Do this exercise several times a day, especially after you've been sitting for a long time. The Wall Angel is like a reset button for your posture, helping to ease tension in your neck and shoulders. Just 1-2 minutes each time and you'll really feel a difference. Stand taller and feel more confident every day. Wall Angel, a simple fix for perfect posture. Our last exercise is the wall march. It helps with balance and coordination. Falling is a big risk as we get older, and good balance is your first line of defense. This exercise mimics walking, helping your balance system without the fear of falling. Stand one step away from the wall, put your hands on the wall at shoulder height, and lean forward a bit. Breathe out, and slowly lift your right knee. Keep your body steady, don't let your hips sway. Hold for 1-2 seconds, feeling your core and standing leg work. Breathe in, lower your leg, then lift your left knee. Keep your movements smooth, continuous, and controlled. No need to rush. Do 10-15 reps on each side. If you feel steady, just use your fingertips on the wall or one hand to make it a bit harder. If you're not so steady, put your whole palms on the wall and stand closer. This exercise brings together leg strength, core stability, and full body coordination. With regular practice, you'll move more safely and confidently in real life. Invest in your freedom to move without being held back by the fear of falling. Give it a try today. It's simple, safe, and effective. The Wall March. Protect your freedom. So, we've gone through 7 wall exercises, a full-body workout program that's safe and effective for people over 50. You don't need a gym, heavy weights, or complex machines, just consistency. Spend 15-20 minutes each day, a few times a week, doing these exercises. Doing them regularly will bring deep and lasting changes. Your body isn't broken. It's a living, smart system, always ready to adapt. Work out with respect, listen to your body, and you'll get back strength, confidence, and independence. Thank you for joining me today. Stay healthy and keep moving.